Today I'm going to be installing some low voltage landscape lighting using this underground low voltage circuit wire. In this video, I'm going to show you how this works and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Now we have 100 feet of this 12 AWG wire cable. I'm not going to use all 100 feet. I'm just going to hook up one light for now so that we can see what it looks like, because I'm not sure where I want to put these. In order to connect the lights, we're going to need to split this into two. So I just sliced it down the center. I stripped off the first little bit of the coating on the wire. To make it easy on yourself, go ahead and install the wire that doesn't have any writing in your common ground and the wire that does have writing in the 12 volt slot. This way you always know which is common ground and which is live when you're installing your lights. You're definitely going to need wire connectors, and most landscape lights come with these, but if yours does not, you may need to purchase them. Essentially, they pierce the wire that you are using, this 12 gauge wire, and then you attach the light wire. It should look something like this. If you're looking for low voltage landscape wire, I think this is a really good option. It was easy to split the wires. It was easy to pierce them, and there's enough here that you can easily set up like 8 or 10 lights just off of one transformer.